First time buyers, investors, welcome to Earley. I'm in Hartsbourne Road and I'm about to share with you a wonderful studio flat. Douglas Court to the left here is a great package. My son and I are going to take you through the best bits. Let's go in and we'll take a look.
Welcome to Douglas Court. This is a good studio. My dad's going to tell you all about it.
Thanks, Albie. Yes, this is a great studio. In fact, we're going to give you our 5 top features of this studio, and we're kicking off with number 1.
Number 1, there's so much storage.
Number 2 is the fact that the bathroom has a window for ventilation and natural light. Number 3 is the size of the studio, 30 square meters, which is really important for mortgage applications, and it's actually on par with some of the one beds out there. So number 4 is the fact that this is a gated community. So if you're looking for security and privacy, Douglas Court has you covered. Number 5 is the location. I am literally 5 minutes from the studio in the university campus woods. This leads directly to Harris Gardens. You've got to check this place out. It's absolutely superb. And in under 20 minutes, you get to this location, the Co-op, on the 3 Tons Crossroads with the BP garage, lots of coffee shops, and it happens to be right near our office.
Do you want to look at this place? Yeah. Call my dad, call it off.